Building an investment portfolio can be tough. It's time consuming and finding the right assets takes a lot of effort. That's why Tickeron experts have done it for you. Our trading experts with over 15 years of trading experience have created, optimized, and tested these portfolios. So how do you look at them and find which portfolios work for you? Simple. From the main page, click on Mall and choose Active Portfolios. Tickeron offers both active and passive portfolios. This video shows a sample comparison of the two. As you can see, getting automated signals generated by our proprietary AI algorithm is a big advantage. So, you went to the mall, you're on the active portfolio page, what now? Tickeron lets you sort portfolios by a multitude of factors. First, you choose whether you're interested in only stocks and ETFs, only forex and crypto, or both. You can sort by annualized return, number of positions, and average trades per month to fit your personal criteria. Now that you've narrowed down the portfolios, let's find the one that works for you. Let's say you've chosen to purchase the insurance broker's portfolio. As you can see here, I've already purchased this portfolio, but the purchasing process is as simple as it gets. Click the buy button next to the portfolio, and then you're going to be able to access it. Clicking on a portfolio lets you see a full portfolio description with the key metrics. You can see the gain-loss of the portfolio since publication and the volatility, which represents the risk factor of the portfolio. You also receive real-time notifications for trade signals based on the portfolio, either to your email or on your newsfeed. These can be configured in the portfolio settings. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.